Hi, I'm Alicia and welcome to my channel Papercraft Secrets. I'm coming to you from my craft room floor today because I wanted to talk a little bit about all of the stash that we have in our craft rooms. So there's lots and lots of papers and die cutting things and stamps and inks and flowers and wooden embellishments and all sorts of things in here that I have collected over the years. And I love all of my supplies, but I do wonder when I am going to actually use them. And I have been considering this lately and thinking, when am I going to use all of these papers that I've got here, and down here I've got packets and packets of 12 by 12 papers. I've got chipboard over here. I've got glitter cardstock. I've got drawers of stuff over there. Plus I've got more things over on that side of the craft room as well. And as much as I love all these products, I do consider to myself, when will I get time to actually use them? And I wanted to tell you about our challenge in the Papercraft Secrets Creating with Confidence Facebook group this month, which is using your stash. So this is a great opportunity to take, one notepad or one 12 by 12 paper pack and see what you can create, or maybe a stamp that hasn't seen the light of day for a while. Grab something out of your craft room and create something with your stash without buying anything new. Now, I was thinking that maybe you might want a little inspiration to get you started on this process of using your stash, and I have the perfect solution for you. It is the Stress-Free Card Making Summit, and it is coming up this weekend. The Stress-Free Card Making Summit is completely free to attend. And it has 3 days of presentations where the crafters are encouraging you to use your stash. So you're going to be making a card with 5 supplies or less, and you're going to be utilizing the things that you already have in your craft room. I personally have a thing for digital printables, as I'm sure you know, and so my class is going to be based on digital printables. And that's because digital printables do not need any storage space in your craft room. It is all safely kept on your computer. So all you really need is your laptop, your printer, and a little space to craft. And you have everything there that you need. And you can craft along with my class. And I'm actually giving away a free digital printable with the crafts. In my digital printable, we have some steampunk images that you're just going to love. There's a beautiful girl on a horse. So it's kind of got like a country western sort of steampunk theme. We've got this beautiful creation here. We've got a guy on a horse. We've got a beautiful girl with a cowgirl hat on. We've got a cute little puppy dog and a cute little bunny rabbit, and lots of gorgeous butterflies and flowers for embellishments. We're also decorating the inside of our cards, and we are making our own envelopes as well. So this is going to be a really fun class that I would love to invite you to come along to. It's not going to be adding to your crafting stash because you're going to be printing out your digital printable, and then you're going to be creating your cards. So it's perfect for those people who are looking to reduce their card making stash. So I'd love to invite you to come over to the Stress-Free Card Making Summit. I'll put all the details in the description below. If you wish to choose the VIP All Access Pass, you can. I'm giving away 2 beautiful bonus printables. That is bonus packs. So each pack has 3 printables in it, I think. So I'm giving away 6 free printables that allow you to keep crafting after the event. I really look forward to seeing you at the Stress-Free Card Making Summit this weekend. Make sure you sign up. It's going to be lots of fun. anything you create, make sure you enter that into the Facebook challenge group, and you can win prizes as well as joining in the fun. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope you have a lovely crafty day, and I look forward to crafting with you at the summit.